Emotional Rollercoaster, Understanding the Blame Game in Trading. In the city of Bangalore, where the chaotic traffic mirrored the unpredictable nature of life, lived a young man named Rohit. He was navigating through the ups and downs of both trading and life, caught in the whirlwind of emotions and societal expectations. Rohit had a passion for trading, a dream he pursued with unwavering determination. However, the journey was not as smooth as he had anticipated. His initial experiences in the stock market resembled an emotional roller coaster, with highs of excitement and lows of despair. As he delved into the trading world, he found himself entangled in the blame game. When trades went wrong, he blamed the market, the economy, and sometimes even himself. The emotional toll of losses echoed in every aspect of his life. His family, friends, and society often showed a lack of respect for his trading path. To add to his challenges, Rohit carried the burden of MS, equated monthly installments, on his shoulders. The pressure to meet financial commitments, combined with the societal disapproval, turned his passion into a source of stress. Amidst this turmoil, Rohit stumbled upon the teachings of Ujjwal Jaitwar, a renowned trading mentor known for his unconventional approach, the chartless positional trading method. Fascinated by the promise of converting minuses into massive profits, Rohit sought guidance from Ujjwal. Ujjwal, a seasoned trader with a cool and calm mind, understood the emotional roller coaster that Rohit was riding. He began by addressing the blame game, the tendency to attribute losses to external factors. Ujjwal emphasized that the key to success lay in understanding the market's dynamics and taking responsibility for one's decisions. With Ujjwal's guidance, Rohit learned to view losses as learning opportunities rather than failures. The mentor instilled in him the importance of risk management and maintaining a positive mindset even during challenging times. Slowly, the blame game began to lose its grip on Rohit's trading and life. Ujjwal's teachings extended beyond the trading terminal. He encouraged Rohit to communicate openly with his family, helping them understand the difficulties of his chosen path. As a result, the respect that was once lacking started to find its way into Rohit's relationships. The burden of MS remained, but Ujjwal introduced Rohit to the power of the chartless positional trading method. This approach involved looking beyond short-term fluctuations and focusing on long-term trends. It required patience and discipline, traits that gradually transformed Rohit's perception of wealth accumulation. As Rohit applied Ujjwal's teachings, something magical happened. The minuses that once haunted him in the form of losses transformed into significant profits. The emotional roller coaster began to feel less tumultuous, replaced by a steady climb towards financial success. Word of Rohit's transformation spread, catching the attention of those who, like him, were grappling with the challenges of trading. Ujjwal's teachings became a beacon of hope, attracting individuals from different walks of life who sought to convert their minuses into massive profits. The new community of traders emerged, each guided by Ujjwal's wisdom and each transforming their emotional roller coasters into a journey of growth and prosperity. The method not only brought financial success but also garnered respect from Rohit's family, friends, and society. They witnessed the positive changes in his life and recognized the wisdom behind Ujjwal's unconventional approach to trading. With consistent profits, Rohit tackled the burden of ME payments, turning what once seemed like a challenge into a manageable aspect of his financial life. The wealth generated through chartless positional trading not only secured Anand's future but also brought a newfound sense of peace to his family. Thanks for your time. If you also want to come out of trading difficulties, then type, "Yes, I want," in comment box and hit the like button.